righteous man with many souls to win. I followed the sound of the wicked singing till I found them there, dancing in sin. I preached from the book exactly how it read, till one jumped up, wagged a finger, and this is what she said. She said, never underestimate a woman with a goddess in her eyes. 'Cause if you ever do, then surely you will get a big surprise. You'll find that she is positively practicing the craft of the wise. Never underestimate a woman with a goddess in her eyes. Well, surrounded by Monday morning, a very special day. I had myself an interview, honest work for honest pay. I walked to my Toyota, as handsome as you please, and found within, to my chagrin, Perry stole my keys. I'd seen them in the kitchen, all around.
Avant même que l'on soit vu, on est pris dans un nid de chair et de tendresse, une étreinte infinie qui nous lie, nous délivre une sagesse toute déjà.
One the Lord and the Lady. Tonight's the eve of Holy Beltane as one the Lord and the Lady. Beltane night, full moon bright, sacred visions bless our sight. Lord and Lady merge as one the Lord and the Lady. As one the Lord and the Lady. As one the Lord and the Lady. Beltane night, full moon bright, sacred visions bless our sight. Lord and Lady merge as one the Lord and the Lady. Passion bursting forth as one the Lord and the Lady, leads us back to the source as one the Lord and the Lady. As the lovers sweetly entwined, filled together with a bliss divine, joined together in heart and mind as one the Lord and the Lady. As one the Lord and the Lady. As one the Lord and the Lady. As the lovers sweetly
In the morning when you
el recuerdo de aquellos momentos. Aún siento en mis labios el sabor de tus besos. Aún tengo el dibujo tatuado en mi alma de la silueta de tu cuerpo. Toda